Level 3, studying Excel. Naiwan tayo dun nung nakaraan, sa sales and marketing. Sa sales and marketing, madaming mga popular applications dito sa office. Merong Office at Work, Template Chooser for Office, Office at Work, Content Chooser for Office, E2D3, Excel to SMS, Autopilot, Mail Merge, Amigo Data Tools, College Property Development Appraisal, Collect and Share Business Data, Web SMS, what else? Ayan. Touch SMS for Excel, Power My Analytics, Coupler, IO, Excel Sand, Agility SMS for Excel. Meron ding Litho, Pluralytics, Agility SMS for Excel, Excel Sand. Ayan, ang dami pa niyang nare-reload. More on related sa pag-generate ng sales report and marketing reports. Ayan. Sales and marketing, training and tutorial. Tingnan natin kung ano ma-generate ng mga applications. Gaya din ng mga nasa CRM and data analytics. Utilities, mobile data collection, visual paradigm online, functions translator. Under ng all, sa may apps pa rin ang ating visualization. Stock connector, web video player, chart expo for Excel, people graph, explore the data, modern charts, Azure, machine learning solver, E2D3, nandito pa rin yung Bing Maps, DIY portfolio manager. Popularity, pwede din natin siyang i-sort by rating, kung ano yung mas mataas or mas ginagamit, or ano yung mas mataas na rating ng mga users, yun yung mapapapunta sa itaas. Ito, madaming ratings. Ibig sabihin sa visualization, ang mataas ang rating si Plexus Cloud, followed by Business Assist, followed by SiteLink 3D Insights sa rating. Sa name, pag sinort natin by name, of course, from A to Z siya, alphabetized order. Then sa release date, kung ano yung pinaka bago o yung newest release date na meron, yun yung nasa pinakatuktok, at yung pinaka oldest version ay nandoon sa pinaka baba. Ngayon, sa my apps and store ito sa Excel file. Tingnan natin kung ano naman nandito sa my apps. You need a Microsoft account to use apps from the Office store. Need muna natin ditong mag-sign in. But later on, tingnan natin kung gumagana yung, later on we'll try ito. Ayusin natin yung apps, yung ating sign in sa Microsoft. Pero, yun, meron din siyang selection. And what's this? The Bing Maps app makes it easy to plot locations and visualize your data through Bing Maps in Excel. Trust this app. View all maps. Tingnan natin. View all maps. Office store apps requiring your permission. So these apps come from the Office store. If you trust them, they will have access to the contents of the documents where you use them. Select an app to see more details. Nagre-reload pa.